Hey guys, it's Jake here with my week 4 discussion post. This week we're discussing lysogenic conversion and lytic and lysogenic replication. Lysogenic conversion is the changing of a phenotype of a bacteria to form a pathogen, and it occurs during the induction phase of lysogenic replication. Lytic replication is replication that results in the death and lysis of the host cell, and it occurs in a 5-step process. First, the attachment to the virion of the host cell. Then the virus enters the virion or its genome into the host cell. Then the synthesis of nucleic acids and proteins by the host cell's enzymes and ribosomes. Then the assembling of new virions within the host cell. And finally, the release of new virions from the host cell. Lysogenic replication, on the other hand, does not result in the death of the host cell, and the host cell grows and reproduces normally for generations to come before it lyses and dies. This occurs in an 8-step process in which the lambda phage attaches to the host cell. It enters into the cell, and then the prophage in the chromosome grows into the cell. Then the replication of the chromosome and viral cell division, then induction of lambda phage, and this is where lysogenic conversion occurs, and this can result in the change of the phenotype of the cell. Then synthesis of the cell, then synthesis to the cell, and then assembly in the cell, and finally it releases from the cell. The 3 main differences I saw when reading the book were in lysogenic replication, the virus is inserted directly into the bacterial chromosome, when in lytic it is not. Like I said earlier, lytic replication results in cell death, while lysogenic lets the cell grow for generations while it keeps reproducing itself. And finally, the prophage in lysogenic replication inserts itself into the DNA and can become a physical part of the chromosome of the host cell. Finally, the role of lysogenic conversion in pathogenesis. So a lot of bacteria can be harmless at times, but when lysogenic conversion happens in the induction phase, when the prophage inserts itself into the chromosome, it can change the phenotype of the harmless bacteria right into the viruses that we know today. A couple examples that I saw was diarrhea caused by E. coli, diphtheria, and cholera are all initially harmless bacteria that are eventually changed into viruses due to lysogenic conversion. Thank you. This is my post this week.